Motorists are advised that Penhook Pass along the N6 between Komani, Queenstown, and Jamestown, has been reopened to traffic. The roadway is currently drivable following the removal of most of the snow from the surface by a grader. The R58 between Lady Grey and Ekepini or Buckley East has also reopened to traffic. In KwaZulu-Natal and the Free State, authorities are closely monitoring conditions along the N3 and other routes, including the Van Rieenen and Olifantshoek pass areas, where snow, sleet, rain, ice, and hazardous road conditions are affecting travel. The N3 between Harrismith and Van Rieenen Pass should be approached with extreme caution. Emergency teams are spraying brine across all lanes to prevent black ice from forming. Other areas, including parts of Mpumalanga and the Western Cape, are also experiencing adverse winter weather, with some routes affected by snowfall, icy conditions, and strong winds. A yellow level 2 warning for disruptive winds has also been issued for parts of the Northern Cape and Western Cape. Strong winds may result in localized impacts, including hazardous traveling conditions, reduced visibility, and disruption to transport. Government, through the National Disaster Management Center, provincial and local disaster management structures, traffic authorities, emergency services, and other stakeholders, continue to monitor the situation and coordinate response measures in affected areas. Authorities are assessing road conditions, managing closures where necessary, and working to keep affected routes safe and accessible where conditions permit. Government further appeals to motorists to exercise patience and cooperate with traffic and emergency officials.